Hello everyone, I am Mark from the Boat Specialist in Ventura, California. In this short video, we're going to share some tips with you on how to set up your aluminum floor roll-up boat, which sometimes is not as easy as it may seem. Let's get started. We hope that these tips will help ease your setup process and save you some time when setting up your boat. Most aluminum floor boats are comprised of the same components and instructional process. Today we will be using the Zodiac Cadet Series, but regardless of the brand or manufacturer, the process and component should be the same. First, I like to lay out all my components and make sure the boat is complete. I will be using this two-way baffle style pump. This is the most common type of pump that you will receive when buying your inflatable boat. I start by putting a bit of air in the boat. About 20 to 30% works well. This allows the boat to take shape and makes it easier to insert the floor when the time comes. Next, make sure the air keel is straight and the valve is facing up to align with the front panel's access hole. Do not fill it. This will be the last step of the process. Often people don't get the keel aligned when it's time to fill it and they cannot access the valve. Finally, it's time to insert the floor. I like to start at the bow and stern and work towards the middle. If done correctly, our panels will form a bit of a teepee towards the middle of the boat. At this point, push them down flat. Now the stringers can be placed on both sides of the floor. A little tip here is to place one of your oars beneath where the stringer will run on the floor of your boat. Once everything is aligned, we can apply pressure to the stringers and push them down until they lock into place. Also, this is a good time to put on your seat if you are going to use the seat. Now that our floor is in place, we can continue to fill the air chambers. Lastly, we can fill the air keel. The air keel provides the deep V hole, which will help performance in choppy waters. We hope that these tips were helpful. For additional information, check out our website at boatspecialist.com. Thank you for watching. See you next time.